Okay, hello.
Hello. Today I'm joined with Grace.
Hello.
Today.
We're making blueberry muffins.
Yay. Okay, so we're gonna start with the ingredients. Ready?
Okay, so I'm doubling the recipe, so if I don't do math correctly, please have forgiveness. Okay.
You're already forgiven.
Thank you. The gospel, Jesus. All-purpose flour, granulated sugar. So there's that. Baking powder.
Salt.
I never really measure my salt. I just go 2 eggs, milk, vanilla extract. Also, I'm wearing these really funky pants that I don't want to be on film.
Why are you using
Because we're not going to use it later.
Is that Dad? Is that Daddy?
Okay, so
Hi,
mix the
Dad.
salt. Darn it. Why did I do that? Okay, so now we're supposed to add.
That's why I said don't use that. But
So,
no, you just went ahead and used it anyway.
And we're back. We got our muffin trays. We're done. This is really good.
It's thick
I'm
because
enjoying this.
preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
400.
Indeed.
With these trays for blueberry muffins, a good tip that I learned is to leave 2 of the muffin tins, but fill them with water so that it can help the muffins to bake more evenly. So we have these really boring muffin liners, which I think are just like basic and cute. Or we have these flowery ones. Or we have these birthday party ones. Or we have these Hello Kitty ones. Okay, so these cute ones that some of them have birds. No, they all have birds in them.
Fun fact, Grace has a fear of birds. Like an intense fear, for literally no reason.
Birds are terrifying.
Okay.
Janelle, you know what to do. Actually, because of my face isn't it?
She smells like cilantro. Not down. Down. Ah! She's distracted by the cookie eating sister. It's a waffle.
Look at this dress.
Oh,
Why is this in your life, Janelle?
oh, hey.
Might be
Clean
a little
lobster.
dry.
Be careful, the water's probably boiling.